This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 261 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 31 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps aid, awning, TV, oven, water heater, air conditioning, spare tire kit, microwave, stovetop burner, LP detector, smoke detector, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 261 BHK is 6,090 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.